Hello, I am going to show you how to do option A for the lower level certification. Some of the supplies that you might need today are a ball of some sort. You will act out throw, so you will act it out just like this. And then I have a magnetic whiteboard with the letters for blending later. So those are just some of the props that I will use. They like you to have 3 different types of props. So I have 1, 2, and then my third thing that I will use today is my reward system that is right up here on the wall. I got it in the Target dollar spot, and we will put donuts on, and it is visible the entire class. So this is how you should get started. We will start on this page. And sorry, I've been teaching all morning, so I am talking like I'm talking to my Chinese students. But it's good practice. So this is the welcome slide, and this is where you will go, hello, hi, I am teacher Lauren. What's your name? I am Amy. Good. Amy, how old are you? I am 6 years old. Good job. How are you today? I am happy. Good. Ready, Amy? Let's go. So this is an interactive slide. When you are in the classroom, you will be able to move the toys around. I just have a PDF, so I can't. But what you will do is say, Amy, drag and drop the toys. Drag and drop. And show her, you can draw on the screen how to drag the toys to the shopping cart. That's just to practice with dragging and dropping. Then you will then show your reward system where Amy, when you do a good job, you get a donut. Donut. A donut for Amy. Good job. Amy, ball. 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 She plays with a ball. She plays with a ball. Circle ball. Good job, Amy. Ball. He plays with a ball. Amy, what does he play with? Good job, Amy. What does she play with? She plays with a ball. Good job, Amy. You did a good job. A donut for you. Amy, drag and drop the ball. Drag and drop the ball. What does he play with? He plays with a ball. Good. drag and drop the ball. What does he play with? He plays with a ball. Does he play with a ball? No, he does not. Very good. High five, Amy. Good job. Amy, throw, throw, throw. She throws. She throws. They throw. They throw. Good. Good job. Circle. He throws. Circle. He throws. Good job. He throws. Amy, you get a donut. Good job, Amy. Oh, and then something like that happens. Real life. Amy, drag and drop. Throw, throws. She drag and drop. Good, she throws. I throw or throws? I throw. Good job. Amy, he throws or throws? He throws. Good. Good job, Amy. Good job. Ooh, Amy. Ip. Ip. Z. Ip. Look. Z. Ip. Zip. Z. Ip. Zip. Good. Ip. Rip. Good job, Amy. Ip. Sip. Good. Ip. Hip. Ip. Hip. Good. Very good. Amy, what do you see? What do you see? I see a ball. What do you do with a ball? I throw a ball. Good job, Amy. I throw a ball. Good job. Amy, you get a donut. Good job, Amy. Amy, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 donuts. You did a good job. Goodbye. And that's the end of the lesson. You can obviously, when you have another person on the other side, things take a little longer. Don't forget to encourage complete sentences, proper pronunciation. They will mess up on purpose. So make sure you take those opportunities to correct their errors in a positive way and extend, especially on this last slide, if your interviewer seems to be playing a student that has a higher level, you can talk about mom and dad throwing a ball, things like that. So good luck. You are going to be awesome. Make sure that you use my referral code down below if you are signing up to teach with VIP Kid.